This is the very first unboxing video for a Big Data Beard shipment from the Big Data Beard store that you can find. It's on. This is totally on. Are you ready to go? Okay, so Daddy's going to open this box. Remember, be safe out there with sharp objects, kids. Keep your hands back, okay, Teddy? Good job. By the way, this is Teddy. He's the small Data Beard. He's going to be growing a beard someday, aren't you? What kind of beard do you want to have? A beard or a mustache?
A brown mustache.
Brown mustache. I think that would be nice. We could call it the machine learning mustache. What do you think about that?
You look like you have a brown mustache right in that goes to your nose.
That's perfect.
Okay.
Teddy, what do you see inside? What's in here?
Some shirts.
Oh my goodness, look at this. Receipt, which is very important. Oh, some shirts. Let's pull them out one at a time. Hang on, let's pull the shirts out one at a time. Look at this. It's a green shirt. One at a time. There you go. Oh, cool. This green shirt is premise does not equal premises. Isn't that right, Teddy?
Yes.
Because premise is an idea and premises is a location.
When I grow
This
up,
is for Mama.
Daddy,
Yeah.
can I be a Big Data Beard engineer for Costa Rica?
In Costa Rica?
Uh-huh.
Do you think the sloths would like Big Data Beard? The
I'm
tie-dye version of this new
the
shirt.
one who makes toys for the baby sloths.
Well, that's a perfect job. Now look at this. What else have we got? Oh, we got to get the box in here. Another box. What's inside the box? Inside the two boxes. Teddy, what is it?
Hats.
Show the camera. Super cool hats. It's also about 150 degrees outside today. Oh, and then look. Premise does not equal premises hats.
Hey, this fits me.
Hey, it fits you perfectly. That's awesome. Cool hats. Oh, and even more shirts. Oh, look at this. A nice baseball style shirt. That's clearly for the Big Data Beard himself. What is this about? Does that look like a... That's a beanie. That goes on your head. For the hipsters out there. Definitely not in weather like this. And then another one of these awesome Premise does not equal premises shirts. Perfect for conference season in black and white.
Daddy, can I keep this hat?
I think you can. Visit BigDataBeard.com/shop and get your Big Data Beard gear today. Great job, Teddy. High five.
I didn't need to talk, did I?